Hey guys. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna solve this. We're gonna graph the solution to this system. That's what the problems will always say. They'll say graph the solution. So we're looking for the collection of points that makes both of those equations true. Both of these inequalities. So let's take the top one. Okay, guys? Shh. All right. So this top one. Y is less than negative 3x plus 2. What's my intercept? Where do I start the graph? Robert?
2.
At 2. We always start at the B. And my slope? Negative 3 over 1. So this graph is going to start at 2. So 1, 2, right there. And then I go down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. Down 3, so down 3 over 1. Now when I draw the line, am I making a solid line or a dashed line? Dashed, because it's strictly less than. So I'm going to make a dashed line through my points. It's pretty close to through the points.
And on a VA or something, if we do like a solid line and then you put a dot, can we just put the word dotted up?
Yeah. Yeah, if you make a mistake and you're working in ink, so it's really hard to change it, you can write the word dotted as a reminder. You know, you do what you got to do. Now, which side do I shade? It's an inequality. It's not equals. So I'm not done until I shade one side or the other.
The right side.
So do I shade below the line or above it? And the only way to know for sure is to test the point 0, 0. See what you get. Is 0 less than negative 3 times 0 plus 2? Is 0 less than 2? 0 is less than 2. So if there's... Hey, guys. Yeah.
No.
That's great. So if 0 is less than 2, I shade the side with 0, 0, and that's this side over here.
When do we get our quiz back?
Next time we meet. You get the quizzes back so you can review how these went.
Are they on Skype?
Not yet.
No. I test every day.
Now, second equation, inequality.
Wait, how do you find out if it's below or above?
You test 0, 0,
Wait,
and that... Hold on. You test 0, 0. If it works, you shade towards 0, 0. If it doesn't, you shade away from it. So this one over here, y is greater than or equal to x minus 1. What's my intercept?
1.
1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1, yep. And my slope?
1.
1 over 1. So I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and so on. So thank you kindly. Am I making a solid line or a dotted line for this one?
Solid.
Solid line, yep.
I have a question.
Yep.
What is the line you're drawing, whatever the thing is called?
Mhm.
Like it goes through 0.
If it includes 0, 0, you're going to have some other test point.
1, 1.
Yeah, 1, 1's a good one. 1, 0 is a good one. Anything like that. Get the job done. So let's go ahead and we'll test 0, 0 for this guy. Is 0 greater than or equal to 0 minus 1? 0 greater than or equal to negative 1? Yeah, 0 is bigger than negative 1. So I'm going to shade this way. So ultimately now my answer, which part of the shading don't you get?
Like, why would you go up?
Because like 1 going this way.
Right. Because 0, 0 works, I want to shade the side that has 0, 0 on it. So really what I'm looking for now are all the points that make both of these statements true. All the points that when I put them in the first equation work, all the points in the second equation work. And that's going to be this region right here.
All of it?
All of this area right here where the...
Can you erase the other shaded part? Or do
You can. That blue area, where it's all filled in the most, that's my actual solution. Any point out here makes both of these inequalities true. If it's up here in the red, it makes the second equation true. If it's over here in the green, it makes the first inequality true. And if it's in the area that they both share, it makes both of them true. And that's really what I'm going for with these problems.